Hello students, this is Arvina Ali, your English teacher and faculty of Mount Litra Z School Jhansi. Children, as you can see in the picture, this is your English grammar textbook and today I am going to explain you chapter number 4, More Pronouns. Children, in the previous video of English grammar, I explained you pronoun as pronoun are the words used in place of a noun. For example, them, they, he or him, she or her, it, we or us if it includes you. Children, as I already told you, her, us, them, him are also pronoun. Now let's see an examples. Ria is my friend. I like her. Children, whenever a female name is going to come, we are going to use her. And when a male name is going to come, we are going to use him. Next example, father has bought some chocolates for us. Children, when you are talking about yourself and some other person, you are going to use us. Next example, the children are sleeping, don't disturb them. Children, when you are going to talk about more than one person or many person, you'll use them. Next example, I have lost my lunchbox. Do you know where it is? Children, in the previous video of pronouns, I told you it is used in place of a non-living things and animals. So children, over here lunchbox is a non-living thing, so we are going to use it pronoun. Children, some pronouns come after action words, and action words are which express an action has been performed or done. Now let's see an example. Mother said, your hands are dirty. Wash them before you eat. Children, wash word is an action word, that is why a pronoun is going to come after that. And we used them pronoun because we are talking about hands and hands are more than one. So when we are going to talk about more than one thing, person, place, animal, so we are going to use them pronoun. Now children, some pronouns are also used after small words such as for, with, and it. Let's see an example. This book is for her. As I told you children, after small words that is for, with, it, we are going to use pronoun. So children, you can also use him. This book is for him. Now next is Zoya went with her. Children, as I told you, after some small words, we are going to use pronoun. Now, why did we use her pronoun? Because Zoya is a female, that is why her pronoun is being used. Now, he is looking at him. Children, at word is a small word. So, as I told you, after some small words, a pronoun is going to come. So, after it we used him. And why we used him? Because we are talking about a male and we got to know that we are going to talk about a male in the beginning by a word he. That is why we used him pronoun. Now children, exercise number 1 is from your textbook and let's solve it. And children, exercise number 2, 3 and 4 is given in the PDF. Kindly do it in the notebook by seeing the examples I have explained to you in the video. Now complete these sentences with me, them, her, him or it pronoun. Children, number 1 is teacher said, "Here is your book, put dash in the bag." Children, put is an action word, so after action word we are going to use a pronoun. So by book we got to know that teacher is talking about a thing. So when we are talking about a thing, we are going to use which pronoun? It. So answer is teacher said, "Here is your book, put it in the bag." Now question number 2, Jason said, "There is Sunita. Can you see dash sitting in the first row?" So children, see is an action word and we are talking about a female, that is Sunita. That is why we are going to use her pronoun. Now question number 3, Sumi went to the beach yesterday. Minnie went with dash. Children, as I told you, with some small words we are going to use pronoun at the back of it. So with is a small word and after with we are going to write a pronoun. And children, by Minnie word we got to know that we are talking about a female. So Minnie went with her. Now children, I have explained to the points, rules to use pronouns. So now what you have to do is do the exercises in your notebook by seeing the question from the PDF.